Okay, I've got the engine, the interior, the brakes all done. I want to get I bought some parts to neaten up the trunk, and so I need to do a little bit of work on that and then put this stuff in it. So here we go. All right, this is everything I've got. My spare tire cover. I found the actual factory style retainer for the spare tire, and I've got the main mat for the trunk. Those pieces that is better, and they thought just described as that they cover the openings in the sides that go down, and so that it seems to be a solid flat surface. And then I've got my jack pack, which holds the handle and jack parts, and then I've got my toolkit that I'm going to be installing. Right now, I've pretty much gotten everything ready to install, but I'm trying to finish taking off this rear seal. I bought a new seal for it, and I've been able to get it off all around except for the very back there. So I'm going to work on trying to get that out, vacuum it up and cleaned up, and then get everything installed. Okay, I've got a screwdriver and a couple of sizes of chisels to just try to work this loose. And that's what I'm going to do. I'm just going to work it loose. That gets it separated from the back. Alright, and that gets that out. Let's get this little piece out here. Alright. Okay, and I guess I should have it. So I'll just get the vacuum cleaner now and get all that crap vacuumed up that I took off the window seal track. Okay, let's see. Okay, we'll start with these covers. Cover those side gaps. Okay, these two boards, like I said, these cover these gaps on the sides. Now it's time for the main mat. And you've noticed I've cut a slot in it right there. I'll show you on the trunk. That's where the spare tire holds down. Okay, now this takes a little more finesse to get really set down nicely. And yes, it does take some maneuvering to get it set in place. But it's doable if you just take your time and think about how you want it to lay down. Okay. I think this is getting it. Okay. And this is looking very good. Okay, another spare tire. Okay, now I'll get the spare tire tied down with this. Get the spare tire. And this can be tricky, but you just slide the tie down inside that slot. Then get the tire down. It really does take some finesse. There we go. Okay. Okay, and we get that positioned with this plate over it. And this takes some trickiness. Okay. I think that should do it. Alright, and once we get it in there, just get it tied down. Then cover. Then we just put the spare tire cover just lays over it. It doesn't attach in any way. It's just to set over it and neaten it up. Alright, and last but not least, the spare tire and the toolkit. And this should finish everything up. Then we got our jack pack. Like the jack handle and the pieces in there like that. And we'll set it right there. Okay, and then last of all is the toolkit. And I'm just going to try to get these in there somewhat neatly. This over here. Since it's got a smaller handle, and then just hook that in there, and voila, it just folds up. And ties down. just about tied, then we're going to put it right there. And that is our finished, organized trunk. So we shouldn't have any problem with an ugly trunk from here on out.